Hey, Alex here with Habitat Kits, here today to show you our latest build on this 148 high roof Transit with all-wheel drive and EcoBoost. So the first thing you see on the outside of this van is the perfect body color match flares. These ones are by Van Speed, and we have the CRL bunk window in here. Awesome feature this. First of all, it just looks really sleek and integrated with the van, almost looks like it came with it. And inside you'll see why that's important. As we come around the back, the van has the hitch and the tow package with it. So the customer here has added their own rack on the back. Coming around to this side, you'll notice that the other flare here is a bit deeper, and that's because it doesn't have to clear the sliding door. So when we go inside, you'll understand why that's important for that extra sleeping room. Down here, we install a simple shore power plug, so we can plug the van in, we're at home, and charge up quickly. We do also have solar, and we have really fast alternator charging on this van. And finally, on this side, the ladder here by Flatline Vanco, and a roof rack that's sporting currently a paddleboard up there. One of the features we love on our latest vans is our collaboration here with Overnight Van Supply to make a package for all our vans. We've actually worked to get these to integrate nicely into the cover here. So it means you don't have to take these out, fold them up, and end up with this huge bundle of window covers. You kind of just fold it down like so, and it's actually going to be below the line of the bed. So there's no reason ever to take that out. Let's have a look inside here. So this side is our main kitchen galley. Here we've just used a single induction stovetop just to give a bit more counter space. Often we've done a dual burner here, but having the sink and the induction on the same side, it's really nice to just have a little bit of additional counter space. The Tech Van sink here with a bamboo cover really helps with that too, so we get a lot more usable space. This guy is removable, good chopping surface there. And then a pull-up tap here out of the sink, and we can also pull this hose out, and that actually goes out the side door if we need that for spraying off. On the walls here we've got our standard control layout, so we have our S-bar heater control up here, we've got dual zone lighting, so front and rear, our 120 volt outlet and our 12 volt outlet. So then over here we have a little hidden control down here that gives us a dimmer for our under cabinet lighting. Over on the wall here we've got a 5 kilowatt Ecoflow Indépendance Kit in this van. So we have all of our controls here. We can see the inputs and the outputs, and our total system time. Really great system this, easy to add on to if we want to have extra power in terms of battery capacity. We can add that easily later. Another nice little feature in this van with the lighting is there's a secret little control, touch control around here, and that turns on the lighting in the nooks here. In the front of our galley here we have a nice simple set of drawers. All using these RV Labs latches, so they automatically latch as we close the drawer. The soft close works as normal. And then here we always like to include full height pantry, so really good for dry food storage. A huge amount of storage in these pantries. And then finally over here, kind of our mechanical cupboard with our sink and trash, things like that. Down here we've got a lagoon table. with a nice seat. Offset mount here on the table so we can really adjust how we use it. Flip it round. There's also a swivel there at the front. So nice comfortable seating for 2 people, and tucks relatively out of the way when we don't need it. Underneath the seat here is just a nice big storage drawer. Our client's using it for their camera equipment. Coming up here again, nice Corian countertop and another deep drawer. And finally we've got the Dometic 110 litre fridge freezer combo. This one has a removable freezer section, so if we want more fridge space we can take this top section out. Up here we have our 3-module upper cabinet. Really simple, nice cabinet. So we have these compression latches, just lift up like so. Nice stop there to stop it just perfectly before the roof. And a really secure latch. Range bed system installed here, so really awesome sideways sleeping. We're not impeding into the kitchen area. We've got our custom mounts behind the wall. Underneath we have our 80/20 rail, so we can mount whatever we want onto that. Awesome for extra storage and accessories. We love how this build turned out. It'll be taking its owners on adventures for years to come. If you're interested in a van or a kit, feel free to reach out. All the info is in the description below.